So here it is. Here's my Publix haul, or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because once again they paid me. Yeah, this is $84.11 worth of stuff, and when it's all said and done, they paid me an overage, a moneymaker of $20.30. And yes, that total does include tax. We all got to pay tax. There's no point in giving a coupon boast with excluding tax, because come on, that's money right there. Anyway, let's jump right in. This is for the week of April 29th to May 5th. I'm a little late getting it posted today. I kind of did these on Saturday, and today is Monday, and I'm just getting to the video. Been kind of busy, but you can still do these deals this week and get it. So my total came to $50.45 for this, and I noticed when you spend 50, which I did, 50.45, you can get this $50 MasterCard with a $10 off this MasterCard or your grocery purchase, either way you look at it. So it came to 100 and just over $105, and I got the 10 off. Came to 95. Then I hit them up with all the coupons, and ended up being a moneymaker of $20.30, because basically I think I paid $29.70, something like that, and I'm getting a $50 gift card. So that's kind of how I did the math on that, as a moneymaker of $20.30. So this, don't be scared about this. I mean, you can use this on anything. The only thing I wouldn't use it on is something you're going to return. So if you're buying food or something, just give them this MasterCard. You're buying groceries again, use that. You're buying gas, use that. It's going to be used. It's going to be spent. So let me jump right into everything we got. So this is the reason. This was the good one. This was bogo $3.99, and there was a printable for a free one. So you're buying 8 of them. You're getting them for $15.96, and you're getting back with coupons $31.92. So that's a big money maker right there. $15.96 worth of overage just on these items right here. There's printable. To link the coupon, the link to print the coupon is below the video. I've got everything there. So if you want to do this deal, you're able to do it. Now, if there's any problems, let me know, and I can see about getting you the coupon if it's out of prints or whatever. This was another one. These were on sale. They're regularly $7.19. They're down to $5.19. Arnicare Gel. There's a $3 off manufacturer printable, and a $2 ibotta rebate. Plus you get 10 more cents on ibotta. So you're looking at $10.38. Then you use $10.10 for the coupons. You're looking at 28 cents for both of these, 14 cents each. This was a freebie, so it's one per household. I have 2 houses, so I'm able to use 2 emails and 2 addresses and get this. And obviously I'm still waiting on that. It was $7.99 on sale for $7.99 instead of $9.99. I'm hoping I get back the tax on it. It was $8.64 with tax and everything. Who knows what I'll get back? Probably $7.99. So my overage might be $19.80 instead of the $20.30. Whatever. This was a freebie, $4.99, and yes, the coupon. Hey, it's all about where you go. There's $7 it took off. This I know is out of print. I'm sorry about that, but if you watch my videos and you watched it, you could have got that right away when I first posted it. $10.49 bogo, so that means 2 for $10.49. There's a $4 off manufacturer coupon from the Smart Sort, April 25th. You use 2 of those, you get these for $2.25. And once again, everything was building up to get this. I only got 5 items, $84.11 for all this. If you want to go in there and pay that much, God bless you. Basically, they paid me $20.30 for this stuff. So that's the way I would do it. Anyway, once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy right there. Here's more cool stuff right here. And once again, yes, they paid me when I left the store this week. And you can check my videos. I think that's 6 months plus of them paying me when I leave the store.